Let's look at this last example. We're going to talk about the value of a car t years after it's purchased, and it's given by this expression 16,000 times 1.25 raised to the negative t power. And it says, what is the value of your new car 2 years after you purchased it? So what that means, t stands for time. I want you to take this equation and plug in 2 for t. So it's 16,000 times 1.25 raised to the negative 2 power. And then I just want you to plug that into your calculator all at once. I'm going to use this calculator I have over here, which is not the easiest, but I'm going to go ahead, let's see if I can do this. So we're going to do 16,000 times, and you have to know how your calculator works. This one's a little bit different. So 1.25 raised to the negative 2 power, and my parentheses, and I get $10,240. So the car is worth $10,240 2 years later. So it's depreciated almost $6,000 in those 2 years. The next problem says evaluate the expression for t equals 0. So I'll write this out, 16,000, then 1.25 raised to the negative 0, which is basically 0. And then I just want to remind you, you can use your calculator and you'll get the same answer, but anything to the 0 power, remember we just said that's 1, and 16,000 times 1 is just 16,000. Okay, so it says, what does this value represent? This 16,000 represents how much they bought the car for. So the price of the new car, because time was 0. So before they walked off the lot, it was 16,000.